Hello everyone, my name is Amalina. I am a student of University Maritim Raja Ali Haji and I am in class F2. So, in this video, I will show you the toefl exercise about skill 12 and 13. First, skill 12. Listen for expression of uncertainty and suggestion. For the example, on the recording you hear, "Man, do you know anything about the final exam in physics?" "Woman, it's going to be rather difficult, isn't it?" Narrator, what does the woman mean? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. The exam is not going to be difficult. B. She is positive that it's going to be hard. C. She thinks that it might be hard. D. She has no idea about the exam. The take question isn't it change a definite statement into a statement that shows uncertainty. So the best answer is one that expresses uncertainty. The best answer is therefore answer C, because the words thinks and might express uncertainty. Example 2. On the recording you hear, "Man, I'll never have time to type my paper tomorrow." "Woman, why not do it now?" Narrator, what does the woman suggest? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. Finishing the paper today. B. Not working on the paper now. C. Never typing the paper. D. Taking time out from the paper now. In this example, the expression "why not" is an expression of suggestion. So the woman suggests doing it now. In this suggestion, the woman referring to the paper that the man needs to type. So the best answer is answer A. Okay, so we are going to do the TOEFL exercise 12.
TOEFL exercise 12, page 59. In this exercise, listen carefully to each short dialogue and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of expressions of uncertainty and suggestion. Number 1.
Are we supposed to read all 10 chapters before the exam?
As far as I can tell, we are.
What does the man mean? Number 2.
You're out of apple pie.
Sorry, why not try the cherry pie?
What does the woman suggest? Number 3.
Do you know when the movie starts?
It starts at 8 o'clock, doesn't it?
What does the man mean? Number 4.
We can't leave now. We have to do the dishes.
Let's leave the dishes until later.
What does the man suggest? Number 5.
Do you think Matt has enough talent for the role?
As far as I can tell.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
Did you hear that Mary's in the hospital with a broken leg?
Let's go visit her.
What does the man suggest? Number 7.
Where are the children?
They've gone to the park to play ball, haven't they?
What What does the woman mean? Number 8.
I need some graph paper for my math assignment.
I'm all out. Why don't you check with Tom next door?
What does the woman suggest? Number 9.
Is the utilities bill due on the 1st or the 15th?
On the 15th, as far as I know.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
We need to decide whether or not we're going to buy that house.
It's such a big decision. Let's sleep on it before we decide.
What does the woman suggest?
And next, we are talking about skill 13, listen for emphatic expression of surprise. Emphatic expression of surprise are common in the short dialogue, so you should become familiar with them. When surprise is expressed, it implies that the speaker didn't expect something to be true. Example, on recording you hear, "Woman, do you see Paul driving around in his Mustang?" Man, then he did get a new car. Narrator, what had the woman thought? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read, A. Paul would definitely get a Mustang. B. Paul did know how to drive. C. Paul didn't like Mustangs. D. Paul would not get a new car. In this dialogue, the emphatic form "he did get it" is used to show the man's surprise that Paul got a new car. It means that the man expects that Paul would not get a new car. So the best answer is therefore answer D. The following chart outline various ways to express emphatic surprise. We can see for the example, then he's here. Then you can go. Then you do play tennis. Then she did read it. Then he has gone there. Okay, so we are going to start the TOEFL exercise 13.
TOEFL exercise 13, page 61. In this exercise, listen carefully to each short dialogue and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of expressions of emphatic surprise. Number 1.
Greg should be here any moment.
Then he is coming to the party.
What had the woman assumed? Number 2.
My motorcycle is over there. That's how I got to school today.
So you can ride a motorcycle.
What had the man assumed? Number 3.
I'm having a few friends over for dinner tonight. Would you like to come?
So you do know how to cook.
What had the woman assumed? Number 4.
I'm so tired from all that exercise.
Then you did run 3 miles this morning.
What had the man assumed? Number 5.
I just spent 5 hours working on my research project.
Bob, you were in the library.
What had the woman assumed about Bob? Number 6.
I just finished carrying the last piece of furniture.
Then you have moved into a new apartment.
What had the woman assumed about the man? Number 7.
Would you like to share some of this piece of chocolate cake?
So you do eat sweets.
What had the man assumed? Number 8.
I'm studying now for my driver's license test.
Then you will take the test this afternoon.
What had the woman assumed? Number 9.
I'm heading off to physics class now.
Then you did register for that course.
What had the man assumed about the woman? Number 10.
The plumber just left.
Then the pipes have been cleared.
What had the man assumed?
Okay, so that's all from me.
The program continues on the next CD.
Thank you for watching, and you can do the TOEFL exercise at home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.